Hey guys, it's Chris from Florida Drone Supply, and we are back with a feature video for the V3 smart controller for the Autel Alpha. The Autel Alpha ships with a very popular V3 smart controller, and this is the same controller that ships with the Autel Evo Max 4T and the 4N. A quick breakdown on this controller shows that it has a 7.9-inch screen with a maximum brightness of 2000 nits and a 2K resolution. You will never have a problem seeing the screen in the brightest part of the day. The V3 also has a built-in battery that can run continuously for 4.5 hours and be completely recharged in just 2 hours. You could also charge and fly at the same time if you have a power source plugged into the USB-C charging port. It also features a built-in 128GB storage, and you can expand that with a micro SD card. On the top of the controller, you have your HDMI output for streaming to other monitors or broadcast modules. The two antennas at the top will give you up to 20 kilometers of transmission range with Autel's Skylink 3.0 image transmission system. It features adaptive frequency hopping in the 2.4, 5.2, 5.8, and the 900 MHz range, and is data encrypted with AES 256. It's hard to find any fault in this controller. We love it, and we know you will too once you get it in your hands. Stay tuned for more information on the Alpha by clicking on that subscribe button below. And if you want to order the Autel Alpha, click on that link in the description. If you have any questions, give us a call at 855-8-DRONES or check us out online at floridadronesupply.com. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.